Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning. Going to see more sunshine this afternoon after we do see a band of clouds move through for later this morning. Overall, pleasant day out there across the region. Going to see temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for highs, but fairly light winds. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have high pressure building in from the west. Cold front that moved through the region yesterday, well off to the south and to the east as well. Going to see this cold front remain over the south, and we'll see another disturbance and a weak cold front pass through the region for later this evening. Looking at our current conditions, current weather as of 8:15 local, scattered deck around 12,000 feet and 18,000 feet. Winds out of the north-northwest 3 knots, temperature 57 degrees, and relative humidity around 75%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see as we move through time, that band of cloud cover off to our north and west continues to press towards the area, and that'll do so through the morning hours, and we'll see some decent amount of sunshine this afternoon before cold front approaches from the Great Lakes region. Taking a look at the camera shot this morning, looking at the southwest portion of the viewing of the camera, you can see we do have that cloud cover around 12,000 feet across the region. Really pretty morning over the Delmarva this morning. Taking a look at the HER model and the derived reflectivity as well as cloud cover. You can see that cloud cover moving through this morning, and then that sunshine for this afternoon. That'll allow us to see those mid to upper 60s for highs, and we'll see a band of clouds moving towards the region. And looks like it will start to move over the area around 8 o'clock this evening, and then a chance of rainfall with a few sprinkles or some light rain showers after about 10 o'clock this evening as well. So looking at our risk chart for today, no chance of lightning across the board. A slight chance, about a 20% chance of a rain shower or sprinkle from 8 o'clock this evening, or 20 local until about 2 local on Wednesday morning. Our high today will be around 68 degrees. We'll see northwesterly winds this morning, and then we'll see winds switching from off the water back to northwest from time to time from late this morning through the early afternoon hours, and then sea breeze will finally come on shore with more of a southerly flow at 6 to 11 knots, and then south-southwesterly flow increasing just a tad out of the and ahead of that cold front at 7 to 12 knots. As I mentioned, 68 degrees for a high today, and a low tonight around 49, as we'll see a little bit of a cooler air mass move in the region behind that cold front, and seeing that north-northwesterly flow 8 to 13 knots, gusting as high as 18 knots tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to see VFR conditions today. Cloud coverage should be well above 3,000 feet. But we'll see some likely cases where we have some mostly cloudy skies later this morning, as well as into the evening hours. Looks like we'll have a broken deck around 7,000 feet by 20 local this evening, and possibly overcast at 8,000 feet. By tomorrow morning, just going to have a disturbance passing well south of the region, and that's going to give us some upper level cloudiness across the area. Scattered deck around 1,500, broken deck 15,000 feet, scattered deck 15,000 feet, broken deck 18,000, overcast deck at 25,000. Tides are currently running normal, and Wednesday and Thursday, green chart across the board for all time periods here, looking at mostly to partly cloudy skies on Wednesday, a tad cooler with the cloud cover in the region, high 64 Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and cooler, we'll see a low of 46, and for Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant, a high of 68 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operation weather brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.